guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you guys can use VPN on Opera browser. First of all, you just need to open your Opera browser. Just click here. You can see these three small lines on the right corner. Scroll up. As you can see, this VPN option, VPN, go to settings, enable settings. You can on this from, you can read this, browse with VPN to prevent third parties from tracking you. Just on this, you can on these options. You can read this, bypass VPN for search engines, and you can see this. You can on or off this option if you want. So you are good to go. You can search whatever you want. You can access those websites that has been banned in your area. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.